Hello, my dear students, and welcome back to your favorite channel that is Sandhya Institute. Today, I am standing in front of you not to teach you any topic, but I want to tell you something about today's day, today's date. Do you know what is the date today? Today is the date 5th September. कुछ याद आ ही रहा होगा आपको आज का दिन हम लोग किसको डेडिकेट करते हैं. I'll give you a hint. We call them by a lot of names. Like we can call them guides, you know, we call them instructors. We also know them as Dawn. Oh, yes, we do know them as Dawn. We also know them as in our language, especially in our native tongue, Pandit. You must have heard of this name, I'm sure. Now, you must be getting the idea what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a very elite class of people who are known as teachers. As you all know, today it's the 5th of September and we celebrate today's day as Teachers' Day. Across India, we celebrate today's day and we celebrate the people who have selflessly taught us, who have educated us, who have made our life easier to live because we were given a very beautiful gift by them, that is education and learning. Now, what is about this profession that makes you want to celebrate this day in a very beautiful manner? First of all, let me tell you why do we celebrate Teachers Day on this special date? Because on this day, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born. Today was his birthday. And do you know who he is? He was the second president of our country. And on top of it, he was a highly dedicated and devoted scholar and a statesman who dedicated his life towards education. And that is why we celebrate Teachers' Day on this particular date. Now, when I talk about teachers, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Because to my mind comes, you know, one of the profession where a lot of teachers, like hundreds and thousands of teachers across India, across schools and colleges, are teaching the students with minimum salary. They don't care about the salary as much as they care about the future of this young generation. They are more focused on how to how to mold the generation so that they can be prepared, they can have values also, and they can be prepared also for the future to come. And they're less concerned about how much they are getting paid, if they have a fat salary. Now, I call this a selfless profession because in my life, I've seen a lot of teachers and I have been influenced by a lot of teachers. Like I myself have been teaching for past 10 years, but still I consider myself not even a beginner in this particular field because what matters is what you have learned along the process and what you have given along the process. And I believe I'm just starting with this because 10 years, I don't think I've done anything achievable. What I can say that yes, it is a learning curve, and yes, I am learning now. Now, being a teacher, it's the highest calling you can have because a very famous author said this, like teacher teaches all the professions. A teacher will teach you, and then you go ahead and you become a lot of things. You become doctor, you become actor, you become engineer, whatnot. But in everyone's life who is in a profession, there is always a teacher who taught that person, and he or she was able to move ahead in life, do something about their life. Did you know in France teachers are given this status? Do you know the full form of this? That is very important person. A person who is given this status, he has special privileges, he has special respect. Wherever he is, if he is recognized, he gets that special request irrespective of what or where the person is. Now, why in some countries teachers are considered such high with considered with such high respect, high honor? Because some places they are truly valued for what they are, a very important cog in a person's achievement, in a person's life. Being a teacher myself, I think they played a very key role in molding me to become a teacher, and I try every single day to be a good teacher, so that I'm able to impart proper knowledge, correct knowledge, so that my students, they don't deviate and they are not less prepared to face this world, to deal with this world. One of them was my English teacher, Mrs. Anita Engineer, and I was lucky enough to be under her tutelage for 2 years, and she taught me a lot of things. Why I'm telling you about myself, because I'm sure peop, a lot of people who are watching this, who are hearing about this, they will be able to relate. Either you are teacher or not, it does not matter. You will still be able to relate, I'm sure. Now, Anita ma'am, she was the person who taught me how to teach. She had a very innate style of teaching. She was very, jovial about it. She was very funny, but still she was able to maintain discipline in our class. I learned this from her. You don't have to be strict. You don't have to be morose to have discipline in class. You can still be fun loving, you can be enjoying, you can be cracking jokes, but still have a good conduct from the students. And the way she taught her, I have not forgotten a single lecture of her. I have not forgotten a single topic she has taught me till now. And it's been over 10 years. So that's what she taught me. The next person who I consider my idol is late Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Like throughout his life, he is known as a scientist, as missile man, as a very genius person. But what I hold him in highest regard is he was a fine teacher. Did you know how he passed away? He passed away this world giving a lecture to students in Shillong. Like, can you imagine a teacher leaving this world doing what he does best, doing what he enjoys best. And he was amazing with children. He loved children, especially on Children's Day. He used to dedicate that complete day to the children's. बच्चों के साथ उन्होंने इतना समय बिताया और वो बच्चों के बीच में ही रहना पसंद करते थे. He used to love interacting with students, and I've seen his speeches. I've read about him, I've read his articles. He was fascinated by students. He was fascinated by children because he knew कि जो ये आज के बच्चे हैं ये कल का हमारा भविष्य बनेंगे और इनको सिर्फ शिक्षा देना ही अनिवार्य नहीं है. शिक्षा के साथ साथ इनको आगे आने वाले समय के लिए प्रिपेयर करना, तैयार करना और एक अच्छा इंसान बनाना भी बहुत जरूरी है. एंड दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग आई कंसिडर अबाउट हिम कि एनीवन कैन टीच. लाइक आई एम सेइंग दिस टुडे, पढ़ा तो कोई भी सकता है. आपके सामने किताब है, आपने पढ़ लिया और आप सामने वाले को पढ़ाना है. इट इज वेरी इजी टू डू दैट. बट a good teacher is the person who not only teaches, who not only tries to, put his self image on the students, but he kindles the mind and he tries to, he encourages the students to build his own image, to build his own mindset. That is a good teacher. जो अपनी शिक्षा दूसरे पे थोपे ना, दूसरे को इतना एंकरेज करे कि वो अपने तरीके से पढ़ना सीख जाए, वो अपने तरीके से आगे बढ़ना सीख जाए. Like I still remember, I have taught in a lot of places. I've taught in a coaching institute also, and whenever I leave, whenever I am transferred, whenever I leave that place, My students, they used to cry a lot. They used to be like, like, sir, we can't, study from anyone else. We can't be taught by anyone else. And what I didn't understand at that time, but now I do, कि students connect really well if you are open to them. बच्चे आपके साथ तभी अच्छे से जुड़ पाते हैं जब आप उनके साथ खुल के बात करते हो, जब आपको खुल के पढ़ाते हो. Because like there's some people in this world who teach because it is their profession. You should not do that. Teaching, as I mentioned earlier, it is a calling. It is not a profession. It may be a profession later on, secondarily, but primarily it is a calling. You need to love teaching so that the students also love the way you teach, because these two things, they are interrelated. Like मुझे याद है हम लोग 5th of September जब हम लोग स्कूल में थे, तो हम लोग इसको किस तरह से मनाया करते थे. आज का दिन बहुत खास होता था हमारे लिए, क्योंकि स्पेशली सबसे बड़ी बात ये होती थी कि आज हम लोगों को टीचर बनने का मौका मिलता था. लाइक आज के दिन टीचर्स पढ़ाते नहीं थे हम लोगों को. हम लोग अपना एक फेवरेट टीचर चुनते थे, और हम लोग टीचर्स क्लास में बैठे हुए हैं और हम लोग क्लास में जाके उनकी क्लास लेते थे. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट फीलिंग. आई यूज टू फील वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी प्राउड, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा फील होता था कि मैं आज, ये लोग बैठे हुए हैं और आज हम इनके सामने खड़े हैं, एंड नाउ टुडे आई हैव द पावर टू टीच देम व्हाट आई फील लाइक टीचिंग देम. एंड इट इज अ ब्यूटिफुल थिंग. और ये जो एक जो एक सेंसेशन है, जो ये एक फीलिंग है, that can't be put into words. I can't even express to you how beautiful that feeling it is. When you enter the class, मैं तो अपने स्कूल टाइम को बता रहा हूँ. हम लोग जब क्लास में घुसते थे बीइंग अ टीचर, और हम लोग उस टीचर की नकल भी करते थे, जिस तरह से वो पढ़ाता है, जो उनके कुछ फिक्स वर्ड्स होते हैं, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ एवरी टीचर हैज सम की वर्ड्स जो बार बार बोलते हैं, और वो बच्चे सबसे अच्छे से पकड़ लेते हैं. बाकी लोग भले ही समझ ना पाए उस चीज को, लेकिन बच्चा जो होता है अपने फेवरेट टीचर को बहुत अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व करता है कि इस टीचर कब स्ट्रेस्ड आउट है, कब गुस्से में है, गुस्से में होते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं, जब फनी मूड में होते हैं तो कैसे मजाक करते हैं, हाउ ही वॉक्स, हाउ ही टॉक्स, हाउ ही स्टैंड्स, हाउ ही टीचेस. दे इनैक्ट, दे कॉपी, दे सोक इन एवरी सिंगल आउंस ऑफ यू. दे टेक इन एवरी सिंगल आउंस ऑफ यू. और हमें भी याद है, हम लोगों को अपने टीचर्स, जो मेरे फेवरेट टीचर्स थे, मुझे उनकी एक एक हरकत आज भी याद है. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर इट. और हम लोग जब क्लास में एंटर होते थे, वो टीचर्स खड़े होके, बिकॉज दे वर स्टूडेंट्स दैट डे, आज के दिन वो लोग स्टूडेंट्स होते थे, वो लोग खड़े होके हम लोगों को गुड मॉर्निंग टीचर बोलते थे. एंड वी यूज टू फील सो इम्पोर्टेंट. वी यूज टू फील कि इस देश में या इस दुनिया में हमसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट आज कोई है ही नहीं. एंड वो दिन कैसे निकल जाता था हमें पता भी नहीं चलता था. बट एक चीज जरूर सीखी थी हम लोगों ने इस दिन से, कि बीइंग अ टीचर, it's not only fun, it's not only beautiful, it is also very important responsibility also. Like, I myself being a teacher, I try to encourage my students to doubt me, to question me, because मैं ये नहीं चाहता कि कल को मेरे जो छात्र हैं वो जा आगे चल के अपने आप पे डाउट करें. क्योंकि पता है, आपको आगे ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग मिलेंगे दुनिया में जो टीचर बनने का क्लेम करेंगे, बट वो आपको गलत या मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे. और अगर आपको सवाल उठाना नहीं आता, तो आप उस गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन को भी सही मान के आप उसको फॉलो अप करते रहोगे. क्योंकि इस दुनिया में दो ऐसे प्रोफेशन होते हैं जहां पे हम लोग आंख बंद करके यकीन करते हैं. एक होता है टीचर, और एक होता है डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर जब हमें दवा देता है ना, तो हम लोग उस दवा को गूगल नहीं करते या क्वेश्चन नहीं करते कि यार ये दवा सही तो है ना, इससे मुझे कुछ होगा तो नहीं ना. आपको पता है हर दवा का एक साइड इफेक्ट होता है, बट हम लोग उसके बारे में भी नहीं पूछते हैं, बिकॉज वी हैव कंप्लीट फेथ इन द नॉलेज ऑफ द डॉक्टर. बिकॉज अगर वो दवा दे रहा है तो वो सही ही दे रहा होगा. सेम गोज फॉर टीचर ऑल्सो. जब टीचर हमें पढ़ाता है तो सारे स्टूडेंट्स, मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स, दे डिसाइड कि हाँ, टीचर ने बताया है तो सही ही होगा, इसमें कोई गलती हो ही नहीं सकती. बट व्हाट आई टेल माय स्टूडेंट्स इज कि एवरी टाइम डाउट योर टीचर. जब भी आपके मन में लगता है कि नहीं, मुझे इसमें डाउट हो रहा है, तो स्टैंड अप, बी पोलाइट, एंड रेज योर डाउट. एक अच्छा टीचर आपका डाउट हमेशा क्लियर करेगा. He will never get angry at you. He will never reproach you for asking doubts. Because like I have heard a lot, a lot of teachers what they do, they say कि you can ask me anytime, whatever doubt you have. But अगर एक बच्चा वही डाउट 3 बार 4 बार या 5 बार पूछता है तो they get angry. Why? आपने ये प्रोफेशन चूज किया to run the syllabus or to educate the students? I guess the latter is the case. आपने ये प्रोफेशन ज्वाइन किया to teach the students. आपका मेन फोकस सिलेबस खत्म करना तो नहीं है, आपका मेन फोकस बच्चों को पढ़ाना है सो दैट दे मे बी प्रिपेयर्ड, दे मे हैव द करेज, दे मे हैव द encouragement टू pursue what they want in life. Like I see a lot of students nowadays, क्योंकि आजकल के बच्चे जो होते हैं बहुत जल्दी इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं बाय पीयर प्रेशर. हमारे पेरेंट्स के टाइम पे ये सब कुछ था नहीं. इवन ग्रोइंग अप we did not have these kind of distractions, internet, WhatsApp, Facebook. We did not have that, and I consider myself lucky for that fact कि हम लोग अपने स्कूल लाइफ में इन सब चीजों से भटके नहीं. बट नाउ डेज देर आर लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शंस एंड पीयर प्रेशर का रोल जो है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है. एंड बच्चे जो होते हैं वो अपने पेरेंट्स में इतना कन्फाइड नहीं करते हैं जितना वो अपने टीचर्स में कन्फाइड करते हैं. और टीचर, एक अच्छा टीचर अगर है तो ही बच्चे उसमें कन्फाइड करने की हिम्मत रख पाते हैं. अब आप सोचो कि एज अ टीचर आपके हाथ में कितनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है. एक बच्चा आप में कन्फाइड करता है अबाउट हिज पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स, अबाउट हिज एकेडमिक प्रॉब्लम्स, sometimes even his spiritual problems also. कि I am feeling low, I am discouraged, my life is over, I do not know what to do. Now, what you say next as a teacher, that will either make his life or that will or mar his life. Because whatever you say, you don't know how much influence that is going to have on his life. So that's what I say. कि being a teacher is a very important responsibility. हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकते बच्चों से. हम लोगों को बोलने से पहले 10 बार सोचना पड़ता है कि what we are telling them and how is that going to affect them. इन अर्ली वैदिक एजेस हमारे सोसाइटी में, हमारे कल्चर में जो टीचर्स होते थे हम उनको गुरु कहते थे. और जब गुरु शिक्षा दे देते थे तो लास्ट में जब उनके विद्यार्थी जब उस शिक्षा शिविर से जा रहे होते थे तो गुरु उनसे गुरु दक्षिणा मांगते थे. आपको पता है इसका रीजन क्या है गुरु दक्षिणा मांगने का? बिकॉज they have given you an immense wealth. Knowledge is the is an immense wealth. It is bigger than gold, silver, whatever jewels. It is bigger than that because knowledge is power, knowledge is wealth. अगर आपके पास knowledge है, अगर आपके पास information है, you are very rich, you are very wealthy. तो जब गुरु आपसे दक्षिणा मांगते थे तो what they want, they don't want, कभी भी कोई गुरु, अच्छा गुरु ऐसे नहीं कि मुझे तो भाई इतने, मुझे जमीन दे दो, मुझे वो दे दो. They never asked for it. They wanted to see when you have it all, are you ready to give it all? Because a true person, a person who has attained the true knowledge, will not be proud of it, will not have ego about it. Like I see a lot of people nowadays कि मेरे पास तो ये डिग्री है, मेरे को तो ये भी आता है, मुझे तो वो भी आता है. That is fine, but you should not boast about it. You should stay humble, you should stay down to earth and let your work speak. अपने काम को बोलने दो, अपने मुंह से बोल के अपनी उस शिक्षा, अपनी उस नॉलेज को डोंट अब्यूज इट, डोंट मेक इट अ वेस्ट. बिकॉज व्हेन यू वर्क स्पीक्स तो यू डोंट हैव टू स्पीक, पीपल स्पीक अबाउट यू. बट व्हेन यू स्पीक, you may be speaking the truth, you may be speaking about you कि हाँ तुम्हें सच में ये आता है, but people don't hear that. What they see a person boasting about himself or herself, and whatever you have, that is already now downgraded and a complete waste in that person's mind, in that person's eyes. So please keep in mind कि you should never boast about what you know and what you have achieved in life. Let your work speak. इसीलिए उस जमाने में गुरु जो होते थे वो गुरु दक्षिणा मांगते थे, बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू सी कि इफ यू हैव द कैपेसिटी टू गिव इट ऑल, टू अबैंडन इट ऑल, बिकॉज they wanted to teach their students a final lesson, which a lot of students, which a lot of teachers still don't grasp. कि knowledge यू नो ये एक ऐसा वेल्थ है जो देने पे कभी भी खत्म नहीं होता. However much you give it away. The more you give, it's a very strange thing here. The more you give, the more you have, because the more you give, the more you learn, and that's how the more you have this. So, giving knowledge, you should not be stingy about it. You should not be a miser about it. Teach as many people as possible. Because teaching and imparting knowledge is the best thing you can do as a teacher. Being a teacher, be proud of the fact that you have chosen this profession, because it's not only a profession, it is a calling where people who are dedicated to it, they do selfless services, they teach their students selflessly, and a teacher has no bounds. His teaching has no bounds. You can go way and beyond in your work, and you can keep teaching, because a good teacher will never stop learning. To be a good teacher, you need to be able to grasp the knowledge. You need to be able to learn the knowledge. Because remember one fact, कि आप चाहे किसी को भी पढ़ा रहे हो, सिर्फ आप ही नहीं पढ़ा रहे हो उसको. वो इंसान, वो चाहे स्टूडेंट हो, चाहे कितना ही छोटा स्टूडेंट क्यों ना हो, आपको भी वो बहुत कुछ सिखा रहा है, पढ़ा रहा है, सबकॉन्शियसली ही सही. लेकिन अगर आप एक अच्छे टीचर हो, तो यू विल कंसिडर इट, you will cherish it, and you will give that learning and the honor which that learning deserves. So happy Teachers Day, guys. I hope this day, brings about a lot of merriment in your life. And I hope, and please wish your teachers in your life today, because they don't want any, wealth from you. They don't want any accolades from you. They just want to be appreciated by you. And today is the day when we do that. So go ahead, pick up your phone, pick up your mobiles, and call them up and wish them happy Teachers Day, because this is what keeps them going for you. This is what makes them teach you as much as possible. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe our channel and take care. Happy learning.